Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Akamai Network Engineering, Lecture 08, Cloud Networking and Virtualization. Introduction to Cloud Networking and Virtualization. Network virtualization concepts and technologies. Software-defined networking (SDN). Cloud networking architectures. Network automation and orchestration. Conclusion. Introduction to Cloud Networking and Virtualization. Welcome to the world of cloud networking and virtualization. In today's digital age, it's more important than ever for organizations to have a reliable and efficient network infrastructure. That's where cloud networking and virtualization come in. These technologies allow businesses to create flexible and scalable networks that can adapt to changing needs. Cloud networking refers to the use of cloud computing services to build and manage networks. This approach offers many benefits, including cost savings, improved security, and greater agility. Virtualization, on the other hand, involves creating virtual versions of hardware, software, or storage devices. By doing this, organizations can consolidate resources and optimize performance. Network virtualization concepts and technologies. Network virtualization is the process of combining hardware and software network resources into a single virtual network. This allows organizations to create multiple virtual networks on top of a physical network infrastructure, which can be used to isolate traffic and improve network performance. One of the key benefits of network virtualization is that it enables organizations to create virtual networks that are tailored to specific applications or workloads. For example, a company could create a virtual network for its finance department that is separate from the virtual network used by its marketing team. This helps to improve security and reduce the risk of data breaches. Software-defined networking (SDN). Software-defined networking (SDN) is a revolutionary approach to network management that allows organizations to optimize their network performance in ways that were previously impossible. With SDN, network administrators can dynamically allocate bandwidth, prioritize traffic, and respond to changing network conditions in real time. This level of flexibility and control is essential for modern organizations that need to adapt quickly to changing business needs and user demands. One example of the power of SDN is its ability to enable network slicing, which allows organizations to create multiple virtual networks on a single physical network infrastructure. Each virtual network can have its own unique characteristics, such as bandwidth, security policies, and quality of service cost requirements. This makes it possible to support a wide range of applications and services on a single network infrastructure without compromising performance or security. Cloud networking architectures. When it comes to cloud networking, there are several architectures available, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Two of the most popular architectures are AWS VPC and Azure Virtual Network. AWS VPC is a highly customizable architecture that allows you to create a virtual network within the AWS cloud. It offers complete control over your network configuration, including IP addresses, subnets, and routing tables. On the other hand, Azure Virtual Network provides a more streamlined approach to cloud networking with an easy-to-use interface and pre-configured settings that make it simple to get started. Network automation and orchestration. Network automation and orchestration are crucial components of cloud networking. These technologies allow organizations to automate routine network management tasks, such as provisioning, configuration, and monitoring. By automating these tasks, organizations can streamline operations, reduce the risk of human error, and improve efficiency. Orchestration takes this a step further by allowing organizations to automate complex workflows that involve multiple network devices and services. By leveraging network virtualization, software-defined networking, and cloud networking architectures, organizations can achieve greater flexibility, scalability, and efficiency in their operations. And with the help of automation and orchestration, they can streamline their workflows and focus on delivering value to their customers. As we move towards a more connected and digital future, it's clear that cloud networking and virtualization will play an increasingly important role in shaping the way we work and live. So, whether you're an IT professional or a business leader, it's important to stay up to date with these technologies and embrace them as a key enabler of success.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.